The Psychology of Money. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Financial Rich Life. And this channel is all about helping you achieve financial freedom and live your best life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on valuable financial tips and insights. Today we're diving into a game-changing book that's reshaping how people think about money. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This isn't your typical finance book. It's about the mindset, emotions, and behaviors that influence our financial decisions every day. So if you're ready to take control of your finances in a whole new way, stick around. Let's start with a quick overview. The Psychology of Money explores the fascinating relationship between how we think about money and the decisions we make with it. Morgan Housel shares timeless lessons through engaging stories and simple explanations, making it a must-read for anyone, whether you're just starting your financial journey or you're a seasoned investor. Now let's get into the heart of the book. Here are the top lessons that really stood out to me. Lesson 1. The Power of Compounding. Housel reminds us that wealth isn't just about big wins. It's about patience. Compounding, or earning interest on your interest, is the real secret sauce to growing your money. Did you know that Warren Buffett made 99% of his wealth after his 50th birthday? That's the power of time and consistent investing. So, the takeaway here: start early, stay consistent, and let time work its magic. Lesson 2. Understanding enough. Have you ever stopped to think about what enough means to you? In his book, The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel emphasizes the importance of knowing what is enough for ourselves. He says that the hardest financial skill is getting the goalpost to stop moving. It's so easy to fall into the trap of always wanting more. But true wealth is about contentment, not just reaching certain numbers. Take a moment to reflect on what financial freedom means to you. Define it and stick to it. Whether it's having a certain amount of savings, being debt-free, or being able to pursue your passions without worrying about money, knowing your definition of financial freedom is crucial. Lesson 3. Luck and risk success. As Housel highlights, is often a combination of effort, luck, and timing. It's easy to attribute someone's success solely to luck, like Bill Gates attending one of the only high schools with a computer. However, luck alone isn't the complete story. Risk also plays a significant role. This lesson teaches us to stay humble and always be prepared for unexpected changes. So how can you apply these lessons to your own life? Here are 3 practical tips inspired by the book. Save more than you spend. Building a savings habit now, even with small amounts, can lead to significant growth over time. Focus on saving a portion of your income and watch it grow steadily. Think long-term. Instead of chasing quick wins or short-term gains, focus on building wealth steadily. It's about playing the long game and making sustainable financial decisions that align with your goals. Stay educated. The more you understand personal finance, the better decisions you'll make. Keep learning, just like you're doing by watching this video. Continuous education in personal finance will help you make informed choices and navigate the complexities of the financial world. Personally, this book was a real eye-opener for me. It completely changed the way I think about success and money. Now I want to hear from you. What is your biggest lesson about money? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who could benefit from a fresh perspective on money. And if you haven't already, consider grabbing a copy of The Psychology of Money. It could be the best financial decision you make this year. Thanks for tuning in to Financial Rich Life. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and remember, your financial future is in your hands. Take care.